Top news headlines. Iran's supreme leader Khamenei boasts severe revenge after U.S. strike kills General Soleimani. And KCP says ban imposed on Standard Road Higher Secondary School Kanchipur still enforced. Hello, good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. This is Maria Pangamam giving you the news in details. Iranian Revolutionary Guard Major General Qasem Soleimani was killed along with 7 others in an early morning U.S. airstrike at Baghdad airport today, the Pentagon confirmed. Hours later, Iran's supreme leader Ali Khamenei said a harsh retaliation is waiting. According to a media report, he also declared 3 days of mourning in the country. U.S. President Donald Trump ordered the killing of Iranian Revolutionary Guard Major General Qasem Soleimani, who died in an airstrike on the Baghdad International Airport on Friday, the Pentagon said. Hours later, Iran's supreme leader Ali Khamenei said a harsh retaliation is waiting. The proscribed Kangleipak Communist Party KCP People's War Group has said that the ban imposed on Standard Road Higher Secondary School Kanchipur by the outfit is still in force. The outfit has imposed the ban following the mysterious date of Ningthozam Baby Sanachanu at the school boarding on June 18 last year. In a press release, the outfit informed that the outfit is investigating the case to find out the wrongdoers. KCP People's War Group also asked the teaching and non-teaching staff of the school, those who are in school van service and management team of the institute, to cooperate with the outfit in finding the real culprits. It also informed all the parents and guardians of Standard Road to take admission of their children in other schools by the end of this month. Associate Professor of DM College of Teachers Education, who is also the winner of Popular Queen of Universe 2019 title, Konika Karaizam, extended aid to one RK Alex, a budding artist of classic form of leaf painting. Alex is from an economically backward family. Temporary Mao Market was today opened at Lamsang Bazaar amid rainfall. It was jointly organized by Mao Imphal Coordination Committee and the Progressive Youth Association Lamsang Market. Talking to media, Mao Women Business Union President Kapaini urged the Manipur government to build a permanent Mao market in Imphal, considering the plight of Mao vendors.
Mafam afaba amada nungsina pigani haibasi ekhoi hop tawraga leibani adu ngasidi ekhoi amuga phajana chot khare aduna yam nungsi biro thun athuba matamda nungsi biro haibasi ekhoina ipai ma oiba ekhoi ge mau Manipur ge luching bi sing ge siam ge mafam dasu amuka hanna ningsing jari haibasi aina haijari.
Now we have a short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open. Board of Secondary Education Manipur recognized Toraba Royal Academy of Science Wangkhay Imphal academic session 2021 gi mingchanabagi damak class 6 tagina 10 faubagi form thaba hauzare. Afaba satra leizade afaba satra puthokjabani. Akupa marol gi damak academy office ta contact tawbiyu.
Singzu Festival 2020 from 28 December 2019 to 6 January 2020.
Festival asigi manung channa
Thangta,
blood donation camp,
na
painting competition,
musical night,
solo dance competitions,
Likon,
Miss Singju Queen 2020. lamdam asida khundaminariba furup kayagi cultural programs su pangthokjaragani.
Singsu Festival 2020.
Singsu Festival 2020.
lamdam masida khundaminiriba isna punamakna
Soidana saruk yaba lakpiyu. Wangjing Kodompopi lampakta pangthokjaragani.
Lamdam asigi miyamna saruk yabiduna festival asibu mapung phanbi.
Dakshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Dakshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass. Duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Dakshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session. Eligibility 12 pass. Duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Dakshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam. 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam. 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Welcome back. Puthiba Lai Harauba Utsav traditional ritual festival of Manipur is underway at Avoy Nagar Puthiba Mandir of Agartala, Tripura from January 2. The 5-day-long event organized by Information and Cultural Affairs Development Government of Tripura, Puthiba Lai Committee and Puthiba Welfare and Cultural Society will witness traditional Lai Harauba, Pena and dance performances by priests and priestesses and colorful cultural program. Several prominent artists from Manipur and Tripura are performing at the event. A 15-day Natta Sankirtan workshop organized by Sri Sri Vega Chandra Manipuri Dance Academy, Lakipur, Kasar, under the sponsorship of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipuri Dance Academy, JNMDA Imphal, has entered its 6th day today. Altogether, 33 individuals are taking part in the workshop. Guru Maihobam Satyavan Singh, Guru Sanasam Santikumar, and Guru Laisram Birjit Singh from Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy taking part in the workshop. Guru Maihobam Satyavan stated that Natta Sankirtan is a very important aspect of life of the people of Manipur from birth till the end of life. The workshop began on December 29.
15 days mitra wani center amamda mafam pangtho kun handak so assam da pangtho isi silakipur sma tharaga adagi rol ka kano da koi gi alagandi lasam khunda amaga lala habra kano ama ani ni mafam da ani maga ahum jini.
Guru Laisram Birjit Singh said that the academy has taken up such initiative to preserve and promote Natta Sankirtan. The Nupi Drama Festival, which began from 24th of December last, concluded yesterday at Kenzonglang Theatre Complex, Kairao. The festival was organized by Sangeet Natak Academy, New Delhi, in association with Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal, and Kenzonglang, Imphal. Talking at the closing function, Manipur Art and Culture Minister L. Jentakumar spoke on status of women in the past and how it has improved in the present society. He said women have excelled in many fields. Kala Khetra's one of the best dramas, Pebed, was also performed during the festival. The Northeast Frontier Railway has incurred a loss of over Rs 100 crores due to the violent agitation against the Citizenship Amendment Act in various areas within its jurisdiction till December 30, 2019. NFR stated it not only incurred losses due to damages caused to railway properties, but also due to cancellations of passenger trains as well as goods carrying trains to and from the Northeast Zone to other zones. According to reports, the damages caused include burning down of railway stations, damages to railway track, level crossing gates, burning of important communication and other electronic gears. Total damages caused to railway properties in divisions like Tinsukia, Katihar Lumding Rangia is about Rs 10 crores. During this period, about 38.86 lakh passengers could not take off this journey in NF Railway due to cancellations of trains. We have another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Admission open for Grace Cottage Academy Kaching. CBSE da affiliate Tauraba Grace Cottage Academy gi admission hauzare. February tang ahumdagi regular class hauzaragani amadi lakliba January gi tang ahumdagi class 9 gi foundation course amadi class 10 gi question nature nainagadawri masida mahirui singna saruk yanaba khanghanjari. Nupa nupi gi tongan ba boarding su laizai loina na bus amadi winger service Kaching Funal Kairak Langmaidong Palel Sora Tekcham Tentha Wangzing su laizai. Hena akupa marol ki damak contact tobiu Grace Cottage Academy Kaching. Contact number 9366424189.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singeba loan pizari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani
amadi adom gi achinba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano makal khudingmaki gari ke asu bandan lawzari. Christmas ki oiba khadaba offer su pizari.
akupa marol gi damakta lengsin birau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Nitainanda Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai.
Ekoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Madeline Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba tawzari. Ambulance Service asa miyam pizari ba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yumda puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yumthang nariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lawba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yaraba air ambulance ki service asina chingbani. Masida natana lambi gi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari adom sunga simak save tawshin biu aikhoi gi contact number 9205987988 natraga play store sangbiduna Madeline F download tobiu.
Menta Events is organizing Menta Fest 2019-20 from 31st December to 9th January 2020 at Waroi Garden, Laimaram. Co-powered by Kangla Construction in association with Career Info Solution. Enjoy the indigenous foods of Sekmai, Andhro, Laimaram, and many others. Experienced international chefs from across the globe. 10% off barbecue nights, bye-bye and New Year special. Tickets available at the following stores. Come and explore the beauty of the garden. Menta Events to rejuvenate the economy of Kanglei Park.
Welcome back. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is in Karnataka, addressed the 107th session of the Indian Science Congress in Bengaluru this morning. He said that he was happy that India has improved its ranking in the Innovation Index to 52. He further said schemes have created more technology business incubators in the last 5 years than in the previous 50 years and congratulated scientists for these accomplishments. The Prime Minister said that he was glad that one of the first programs at the start of the new year and new decade is linked to science and technology and innovation. Prime Minister Modi also expressed his wish for India to foray into exploration of the deep sea, according to media reports. Prime Minister also said that success in space exploration should now be mirrored in the new frontier of the deep sea. The Prime Minister said at the Science Congress that his motto for the young scientists in the country is innovate, patent, produce and prosper. Now we have the sports news. To mark the new year, a friendly sepak takraw and a football match were played between Nongkam Satang, Tengnopal and Kondong village of Myanmar yesterday at the playground of Nongkam village. The home team won both the matches by 8-6 and 2-1. Heli Tanatara, representing Rajiv Gandhi University of Arunachal Pradesh, cleans a gold medal in the All India Inter-University Boxing Championship held at Bagpat, Uttar Pradesh. The tournament was held from December 26 to January 2. A VS second-year student of Dehradun Government College, Tara bagged the medal in the light fly 46 to 49 kg category as per a report. He was also adjudged the best boxer of the championship in the men's category. A total of 1,139 boxers from 182 varsities participated in the men's category in the championship. Meanwhile, the Arunachal Amateur Boxing Association has fielded 15 pugilists for the BFI Northeast Boxing Championship to be held at Chirang in Kokrasar, Assam from today till 6. Now we have the local newspaper headlines.
The Sangai Express. ILP counters open at Jasami, More and Jiribam. JCILPS points out loopholes in ILP guidelines. Chamol Sajik Tampak ambush. NIS summits Char seats against 6. MSc observes Constitution Day. The People's Chronicle. Issue ILP permit to non-local residents, says JCILPS. ILP passes issued to 550 new entrants. Committee tutors history of Jiribam to Chief Minister Biren. Prime Minister presents Food Grain Sufficiency Award to Chief Minister. NIA files charge seat in Chandal ambush. Imphal Free Press. Permit system comes into force in state. State government receives Krisi Karman Award 2017-18. Rectifies spineless permit system guidelines, says JCILPS. Joy Kisan serves ultimatum to Chief Minister on permit system.
Before you wind up the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Iran's Supreme Leader Khamenei vows severe revenge after US strike kills General Soleimani. And KCP says ban imposed on Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur still enforced. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.